Every month, businesses pay around $1,000 for a virtual assistant to do one thing. That is read emails, decide what matters, send basic follow-ups, and forward the important stuff. It's just basic inbox management. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly build that automation. Let's start. So at first, we are going to go to make.com and then you are going to sign up there. And once you are inside, you will see some interface like this. And in the left side, there will be a scenario builder. And then click on open new scenario, and then you are going to create a new scenario, and then we are going to name it mail automation. And once we are done, we are going to click in this plus option, and then we are going to search for Gmail module and then watch emails, and then you are going to click on add and sign in with Google, and then you are going to select the email in which the other businesses send you the mail, and you are going to simply connect the mail with the make.com. Filter type, you will select simple filter, and in the folder inbox folder, and if you have any kind of label like inbound or any kind of, then you can select label 2. And then in the mark email has read when faced, we are going to select it no, and then let the limit be 10, and then we are going to save it. And in the choose way to start from now on, and then we are going to add another module which will be of OpenRouter. And basically why we are using OpenRouter is because it provides us free API keys. So you can use LLMs for free, because some of the people who want to try automation but they can't pay for ChatGPT API fees because it is expensive. So from OpenRouter you can get your API key for free, and I will show you how to. And then click on create chat completion, and then we are going to go to OpenRouter, and then here you can see in the module section here there are free modules. So then you are going to log in into OpenRouter and then click on get API key, and you are going to create a new API key, name it tutorial or anything you want. I will name it tutorial, and then create, and here will be your API key. Copy it and then go to make.com, add an API key like this, and then save it, and then your API key will be successfully activated. But in the model you will select these free ones because other options are paid. So I will select this free version, and then once you are done, we are gonna click on messages, and we are gonna add one item in the content. What we are gonna write is, there will be a prompt in the description, you can check it out, and then you are gonna paste the same prompt here. So let me do it quickly. And in the down part of the prompt there will be some space left in which you are gonna add from mail module, you are gonna add full text body here. And then in the rule you are going to add user, and then down there will enable automatic fallback. You're going to click on no and then save it. And then we are going to add another module which will be of Gmail, and it will be send email, and then create here. And then you are going to add another account from which you want the mail to be sent. So I have already done that. And then in the receptionist, like in the two option, add receptionist, and here you are going to select from this first module from email. In the subject we are going to write the subject like this is tutorial, so I will just write follow up. And then in this body content area, in this text section, we are going to put this from OpenRouter choices, messages, and then content. And then we are going to save this. We are going to add another module which will be of OpenRouter LLM, like before, create a chat completion, and then add a API key. So here in the module I will select a free module like this, and then create on messages and add item, and in the content there will be another prompt. You are going to add it here, and in the prompt down part there will be email content, in which you are going to go to our this OpenRouter module choices, messages, and content, message content. And then we are going to add, and then there will be another part name lead name. And then in this you are going to go to our most down module, and then you are going to select from name, and then in the role user fallback no, and save. And now we are going to add another module which will send an email to the business owner. Gmail send an email, send a new email module. And then in the receptionist you are going to add a business owner email ID. And then in the subject, basically this tutorial, so I will add tutorial. You can write anything like report, tutorial as report. And in the add body content you are going to add the messages from our this new LLM, which will be top LLM messages content, and then we are gonna save it, and now our automation is ready. So what it does is it watches email, it sends the email content to an LLM, then it sends a mail to the other party, and then our another LLM creates a report and then sends it to our business owner. So now let's check it, but before that I will have to send a mail to myself. So now let's check if the automation is working or not. So our automation is running, it is watching our mails, and it is even sending it to our LLM. LLM has done the work, a mail is sent, our another LLM is working, and the mail is sent. Now let's check the results. So here we have successfully received our mail. Thank you for the message, please provide more details about your inquiry. And that's the system. No manual inbox checking, no fixed follow-ups, and no paying thousands. And if you are someone who wants to implement AI automation into your businesses, or you want some custom solutions, you can reach out to us anytime. We help businesses design AI systems. And if you want more tutorials like this, subscribe, and the next video will be how to sell this exact automation to clients.